Cryptoslo, cryptocurrency news and investing.
Cryptoslo with more crypto gains. What's going on, guys? Today I'm going to show you how to easily wrap or unwrap your ETH to WETH. WETH is the synthetic version of ETH, and you can do this effortlessly and securely on the Balancer network. So they changed the interface a little bit on Balancer, and the trick is knowing where to go. So what you need to do is click on the wallet in the top right corner after you're connected, and then you're simply will be presented with your wrapped amount of tokens. So I want to wrap this ETH that I have in my wallet. I'm going to go ahead and wrap 10 ETH, and I hit confirm, and the fee should be very little, even on fast. And that's why I like using Balancer for my WETH wraps and unwraps. So that's it. It's super simple to do. After that confirms, I'll show you what the interface shows. Alright, after hitting Control F5, you can now see that I have wrapped Ether. And if I wanted to flip back to ETH, I could simply hit unwrap. That's all there is to it. Hope you enjoyed today's video. As always, like, subscribe, and be sure to check out all my Ethereum tutorials which cover Uniswap and MetaMask. This is Cryptoslo. If you're not talking gains, then we're not talking.